In the business report, 4 companies have declared dividends to be paid out to shareholders. Passive income will be coming from the following corporate entities. Sterling Investments Limited has declared a dividend of US 16 per share payable on September 16, 2024. The shareholders on record as at August 26, 2024. The ex-dividend date is August 26, 2024. Jamaica Group Limited has declared a dividend of 125 cents per share payable on September 24, 2024 to shareholders on record as at August 30, 2024. The ex-dividend date is August 30, 2024. Carreras Limited has declared an interim dividend of 25 cents per share payable on September 25, 2024 to shareholders on record as at August 27, 2024. The ex-dividend date is August 27, 2024. Seprod Limited has declared a dividend of 605 cents per share payable on September 6, 2024 to shareholders on record as at August 26, 2024. The ex-dividend date is August 26, 2024. The Jamaica Stock Exchange listed Regency Petroleum Limited is effecting an all-Sunday closure of its island-wide network of service stations. CEO Andrew Williams, in a media statement on Sunday, August 11, indicated that the decision is faith-based. He's quoted saying, while underscoring our respect for this sacred day of rest, end quote. Now, let's take a look at the movements in the foreign exchange market. Denise Williams reports.
During trading for the period August 12, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited, ordinary shares with 3,503,168 units represent 21.39% of the market trading activity. Educational platform One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 2,855,204 units represented 17.43% of the market trading activity. Beverage distributor Jamaica Teas Limited with 1,627,098 units represented 9.94% of market activity. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the stock market, we turn to the Forex market. On August 12, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $83.16 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $83.14 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.66 and bought US dollars for $156.38. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.28, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.57 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $112.87 and bought for $114.44. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $3.17, selling it for $199.22 and buying it for $196.05. For the credit report tip of the day, we continue to look at persons who are over 50 and planning an early retirement, because this is the perfect time to focus on rebuilding your credit and leveraging loans to invest in income-producing assets. Here are 2 suggestions. First, establish a consistent payment history. Set up automatic payments for all your bills to ensure you never miss a due date. A consistent payment history is a major factor in boosting your credit score. And then consider a secured credit card. If your credit score is low, a secured credit card can help you rebuild it. Use it responsibly by keeping your utilization low and paying the balance in full each month. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.